Do you want to hear a story again? Today, I'm gonna tell you a story about the little red hen. But first, I'm gonna ask you a question. Did the little red hen's friends help her with the baking? Let's find out. This is how the story begins. Once upon a time, there lived a little red hen with her friends. Her friends were a lazy dog, a grumpy pig, and a sleepy duck. But one day, she found something on the ground. It was some seeds. So she picked it up and she decided to plant it. She needed some help, so she asked her friends. She said, "Who can help me plant these seeds?" She said. "Not me," said the dog. "Not me," said the grumpy pig. "Not me," said the sleepy duck. "All right then, I will do it all by myself." So off she went to plant the seeds. When she planted the seeds, 1 week later after she planted the seeds, it became into wheat. So she decided to grind the wheat into flour so she could make bread because she was so hungry. So she asked her friends once again. She said, "Who can help me grind the wheat?" She said. "Not me," said the lazy dog. "Not me," said the grumpy pig. "Not me," said the sleepy duck. "All right then, I will grind the wheat all by myself." Off she went to grind the wheat. After that, she decided to bake the bread. So she asked some for help once again. She said, "Who can help me bake this bread?" She said. "Not me," said the lazy dog. "Not me," said the grumpy pig. "Not me," said the sleepy duck. "All right then," she once again said. "I will bake this bread all by myself." So off she went and baked the bread. When the bread was finished, it was so big she couldn't eat it. So she asked her friends once again. But it was different this time. She said, "Who can help me bake? Who can help me eat this bread?" She said. "I will," said the dog. "I will," said the grumpy pig. "I will," said the sleepy duck. "No," she said. "I will eat this all by myself because you didn't help me with the baking," she said. The poor little animals were so hungry that they wanted to pay the little chicken back. Off the little red hen went, eating the bread. She said, "This is so yummy." I hope my friends learned a lesson today. The moral lesson of the story is, hard work pays off the best. And remember to help your friends in need. This is the end of the story. Thank you.